Hey babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and can you believe it's that time of the month again? I literally just got my March IPSY GLAM bags in the mail today, and of course I wanted to sit down and unbox them with you guys as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay babes, so this is a little sneak peek at everything that I got in my box, and I do like what I see so far. Obviously we celebrate International Women's Day during March, and I love that they definitely brought that into the IPSY GLAM bag. This is so cute and so fitting for this month. I love that they included women from different ethnicities holding their hands, and definitely that is super cute. And before I forget, here is March card with the theme Stronger Together, like Cher and Dion, and red lipstick and a cat eye. Some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. That is definitely really cute. And I also want to say that the quality of this bag kind of feels a little bit better than the ones from previous months. I don't know if it's just me, but definitely feels really nice. And when you open it, it does say a little message that says confidence comes from within. And let's go ahead and see what's in the IPSY GLAM bag. Okay. So first, let's start with this product. So the first product comes by the brand Sila, and this is their Seed to Skin Scrub. This is their natural grain polish that it's supposed to help to exfoliate the skin. And I actually really love this packaging. It's kind of cute. You get 0.7 ounces of product. I mean, this is a great way to try it out. Obviously, I was gonna get some of the product out, but it's sealed, so I'm not gonna open it, but definitely this is really cool. My skin has been so freaking dry. I mean, I just want to sprint to get here already, but that is something new for me to try out. Oh nice, the second product, actually I'm kind of excited. This is by Kat Von D, and I actually haven't gotten any of their products in a very long time. This is what it looks like, and this is their Locket setting powder in translucent. It's kind of a small, but it's definitely a great way for me to try it out. I don't think I have ever used this setting powder, but especially if you travel, this is perfect. You can just take it with you on your carry-on or even on your bag to touch up during the day. I don't know, I'm actually really excited though, because I just haven't purchased any of her products in a very long time, so that's nice. All right, and the next sample comes from Coco Kind. This is their resurfacing sleep mask. This is an overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. I don't know what that means, but I definitely love overnight sleep mask, so this is a great way to try it. And I was looking to see if it had any other details, but I do see that this is certified organic, and I'm just really curious about the plant-derived retinol alternative. I will definitely have to look into that, but that is nice. All right, so the next sample comes from Saint Luxe, and this seems to be a highlighter in the shade Rose Quartz. This is what the packaging looks like. Pretty simple and sleek, and it's a pretty good size as well. Let me go ahead and open it so that you can see it inside. Oh, that's a pretty shade. It's definitely on the lighter end, so let me go ahead and swatch it. It's coming out more of a champagne color on camera, but when you look at it in person, I definitely see the rosy tones. Okay, this is pretty, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see the swatch. I don't know why, it definitely shows more champagne on the camera, but in person I do see a little bit of the rose tones, but it's really pigmented, and so far it feels really soft. You guys know that I love highlighters, so definitely I will be giving this a try. And this is actually a brand that I haven't tried out before, so double as excited. Alright, and lastly, I'm actually really happy about this last sample. This is from Way. This is their leave-in hair conditioner, and I have actually used this product before and I really like it. If you have dry hair, this is really nice to hydrate your hair. You literally spray it when you have damp hair and just style your hair as usual, and it's really nice. Definitely will be taking this on my next vacation, but that is everything that came in my regular IPSY GLAM bag. So let's go ahead and see what's in the IPSY GLAM bag plus. And this is what the IPSY GLAM bag plus stream bag looks like. I mean, it's really cute. It definitely carries the same style and design from the regular IPSY GLAM bag, but this has the design all over. I think it's cute, definitely super cute. So let's go ahead and dig in. I'm just gonna pick products randomly, and the first one that I see, I actually am really excited about this just because I really love this packaging. So I got an eyeshadow brush set from MOTD, and you guys, I have to get this out of the packaging so that you can see it better. But these brushes look super cute. Oh, sorry for the noise, but especially if you love pink color, I mean, aesthetically, this is super cute. I love them already, and I have used their brushes before, so I know that they are definitely great quality, and I mean, they feel super soft. So let me show you what's in the set. So you get a standout. Oh, okay, I was gonna read the name on the handles, but I forgot in case you're not familiar. So MOTD, every brush that they sell has like a little cute name on the handle. It's not necessarily what the brush is used for, it's just something cute. Like for example, this one, it's called Miss Shady Lady, but just based on the type of brush, this is a blending brush. The next one, it's called Standout Sweep, and this is more of a shading brush. The next one, it's called a Smoky Detailer, and this one, it's perfect to just as much eyeliner on the top lash line or even on the bottom. Super cute. The next one, it's called Taper Contour Crease. I guess that's just a standard name, but that's exactly what that is used for. Super cute. And the last brush in the set, it's called Come Through Contour. Okay, you see what I mean? That's such a cute name. And this one, it's a little bit angled, so you can definitely use it for detail contouring, maybe around your nose. But you guys, I'm really digging this eyeshadow brush set. Oh, I just love the packaging, the color. Like, honestly, everything is so cute, isn't it? All right, so the second product comes from the brand Item, and this is their One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. Oh, I'm actually really interested about that. I'm all about anything that's gonna make me dewy. Ooh, I'm really digging this packaging. I hadn't seen it before, but that's what it looks like. I definitely have to test this mister, so let's see. Oh, that is really nice. And it smells really good too. Let me just try it. I'm just wasting it in the air. Okay, that is a really nice mist applicator, which is something that it's a must in any setting spray. You guys, the next product I'm super happy about. This is by Florence by Mills, and this is their Glow Yeah lip oil. I mean, my lips have been so dry. They have been chopping like crazy, so this comes at the perfect timing. But not only that, I mean, look at this packaging, and it matches with my nails. How cute is that? But definitely, I wanted to try something from her brand before. I feel a little bit skeptical when a celebrity comes out with their makeup brand. I kind of like to wait it out and see what people say before I actually spend my money on them. But I mean, this is the perfect way to try it out, and this is a lip oil, so I'm really happy right now. Alright, so next up, I got a Silk Glow BB Base Primer from Pearly. This is an oil-free satin sheen natural glow finish that extends makeup wear for all skin types, even sensitive skin. That sounds pretty interesting. I don't think I have tried many products, like makeup products from Pearly. I have tried skincare products, but not makeup. So I'm really interested about this. The packaging is really cute. There you have it so that you can check it out. This is just a little bit misleading because when I saw that BB, I thought it was a BB cream, but this is a BB base primer. So it says that the benefits are satin sheen makeup primer. It is a base that leaves the skin with a natural healthy glow. It provides brighter skin tone, prolongs foundation wear, okay, improves the skin condition, and it also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, and other signs of aging. But I mean, just the benefits definitely sounds like an amazing product, and I'm really excited to try this out. I went ahead and blend out the little bit of the product that I put on the back of my hand, and definitely doesn't give any coverage, but it makes my skin look really smooth, if that makes sense. All right, and lastly, on the IPSY GLAM bag, I got this palette. Let me take a moment to read what this is about. So this is by the brand Belle and Argent, and it is their Panchromatic eyeshadow palette in Plum Premonition. I mean, this packaging is so cute and elegant. I don't think I have seen this brand before, but let's go ahead and open it. Okay, I see. It has pretty colors. Let me go ahead and show you what the palette looks like inside. Let me go ahead and do some swatches so that you guys can see. Okay, she's pigmented. Ooh, this color is actually really pretty, you guys. Maybe I was misjudging this palette just by the appearance, but now that I'm swatching it, okay, these shadows are rich, pigmented. Look at that. I swatched 3 of the matte shadows. They are super, super pigmented, and that was just one swipe, literally. I'm just afraid in regards to the blendability, if, you know, sometimes if they're too pigmented, they can be a little bit more difficult to blend. But the other one that I do want to swatch is this one, the one with the chunky glitter. Okay, I definitely don't like that texture. Okay, she's pretty, but I can definitely see how she can be a little bit messy to use. I mean, that glitter shadow is so beautiful, but definitely it feels, the formula feels a little bit loose. So you definitely want to use like a glue for glitter or like an eyeshadow base underneath, just by the way the formula feels. But I definitely have to give this palette a try. I'm just very intrigued. Alright, so that is everything that I got on both my IPSY GLAM bag and IPSY GLAM bag Plus. And I have to say, so far, I'm really excited. I did receive a lot of products that I'm really happy about. You know, sometimes you get products that you're like, okay, you know, it's nice that you want to try them, but these are really, really nice products. So I'm impressed. But before we end the video, I actually do want to show you, because you guys know that I actually get the influencer box, and they did send me some products from their new Refreshments subscription box. Let me show you what the products look like. I mean, I just love their packaging. Let me show you what's in here. So first, I got their Breezy deodorant in Pacific Fist. That's what that looks like. Really nice. And actually, I got another deodorant, and this one is unscented. In case you don't like scented deodorants, they also give you that option. And lastly, I got the Pearly body wash and citrus spritz. And that is what that looks like. And in case you guys don't know, Refreshments is actually IPSY's new subscription service in which they carry body care products. So that is really nice that they sent this over. But that is everything that I got for my March IPSY Glam bags. I hope that you guys enjoy the unboxing. I definitely wanted to upload it as soon as possible, so I hope I was fast enough. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.